Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And today's video, we are going to be sharing with you an affiliate marketing strategy personally that I have been following for the last 2 years. Guys, this strategy has made me over $9,000 online. Obviously, those results are not typical. Those are my results. I have put in the work and the effort, but I'm going to share with you how much this has made. I think it's done more than 10,000 if I'm not mistaken. But I want to show you exactly how that it is and how I have used this strategy to be able to function online, create a budget for myself because I primarily use paid advertising in my affiliate marketing journey, but you can use your free advertising as well. I also document everything on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. You're going to get strategies, you're going to get tips, you're going to get tools that I personally use along my affiliate marketing journey. And as you guys can see, I'm pretty open with every single thing that I do. So make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, because if you want honest, realistic feedback on this journey of affiliate marketing, specifically in the make money online niche, then you can hit and then you'll get that from this channel. Okay, I'm here to help you along the way. So let's go ahead and cover it. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about the strategy. It is the exact same strategy that I've been following for the last 2 years. I pretty much put it into place because a little bit of my backstory. I've had a lot of successes. I've had a lot of failures when it comes to affiliate marketing online. And, I got confused for the longest time. I jumped from opportunity to opportunity, from program to program, from offer to offer, from training to training. You guys have heard this story before. I'm not the only one. I'm sure that you resonate with it because it might have happened to you as well if you're watching this video. But within my years, one thing that I am very, very proud of, which is my consistency, that I continue to still learn and learn and learn and absorb that information, not forget about it or confuse, but try to filter it out, because unfortunately there's a lot of confusion in this space of how to teach and train, because the strategies change and you have to adapt and evolve over the years. Okay, I've seen a lot that new platforms that have come on, new offers that have come on, new software that is being used. It's always ever changing, and so sometimes that can be confusion. But at the end of the day, we brought it down, and I personally brought it down into two skill sets that you need when it comes to your marketing journey, specifically with affiliate marketing. One is advertising as a skill set, so generating traffic, as we call it in the space, or advertising. That's the first skill that you need to learn, and that's kind of the bread and butter for your affiliate marketing journey. Okay, so advertising is the first skill, and the second skill that you need to know is copywriting. And copywriting is involved in your sales process as well as in your conversion process at the end. Okay, so it goes through right from your advertising to the actual conversion. You use copy in pretty much everything that you do. Now, it can be a technical journey, and I'm going to say this very openly. It can be you need to have some kind of technical knowledge right now, because the more technical knowledge that you have, or at least, when I'm not saying you need to be, really good with technology, no, but you need to know the basics. If you do know the basics, then you can function well. If you don't know the basic, guys, I would stick to finding a job and actually, exchanging your services or time for money in this world that we live in. Okay, but if you have some technical knowledge, how to use a computer, how to use just simple things, not really complicated things, it's definitely possible for you guys to generate an income online. And that's how I personally have been doing it. So that backstory being said, 2 years ago, I decided to go ahead and create the strategy that you can see on screen right now. It has two steps, and it is basically a funded proposal strategy, because I wanted a way which I could use paid advertising in my daily activities, because I am first and foremost more aware of paid advertising, how to convert it, because over the years I've learned. And then secondly, I knew that I had to create a fund for myself, and I would need consistent income coming in to be able to fund this advertising. So I am learning always more and more paid advertising skills, as personally my let's say I like I like it. So it gets my interest, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, all these kind of things. I can get into it for a long time. So it's definitely an interest on my side, and that's why I focused on the paid advertising. But I knew I needed a budget for myself. I needed to create that budget for myself. So I went ahead and added this step one, which is using a low ticket offer called My Legion Secret. If you guys have watched my Monday videos, I've documented my entire journey for the last 2 years with my lead gen secret every single Monday, that I send to an offer on Warrior Plus or ClickBank. I only focus on these two. I don't send it to other opportunities. I basically send it to Warrior Plus and ClickBank specifically because I want to create that budget for myself, that fund for myself, that funded proposal that helps me pay for my advertising to my own funnel and a couple of done for you services and funnels on the back end. Okay. I'm not going to go into detail of what these services are. I'm not going to go to detail of what step two is, but as a whole, step one basically creates an advertising budget. I take the money from that advertising budget and by advertising to the funnels that creates an income for myself, and a percentage of that income I put into my pocket, and the other percentage I put it back into the business, because I want to personally keep running my advertising consistently so that I'm not losing out on building my list for the long term. Okay, so this is the strategy as a whole. It's not a complicated strategy. Now, I will say that shiny object syndrome, if you guys don't know what that is, it can come in the way of this whole system, because this whole process is not a fast process. It's a slow process that you're learning copywriting skill sets, you're learning email marketing skill sets, you're getting better at email marketing skill sets, because step one includes a lot of email marketing with the service that My Legion Secret is providing. You're actually sending just emails out. So you're learning email marketing there, improving your email marketing there, and it can be a slow process before you start to generate a consistent income coming in there. However, step two is your entire funnel. Now, your funnel can exist with Warrior Plus offers, with ClickBank offers, with anything under the sun, your own products and services that you have as well. That could be your funnel. Or you can have, as I do it, with affiliate offers on one end, and then done for you funnels on the other end. The reason why I divided between the two is because the done for you systems that I am personally, done for you programs or training ecosystems as I am a part of, is where I get my organic traffic training, is where I learn how to use YouTube, how to use blogging, and I utilize that knowledge, that support, that community to be able to build a long-standing business. And therefore I always direct people to something that I am actually involved in, I have actually paid for, I'm actually using. I do not promote anything as an affiliate that doesn't work for me. So let me show you guys some proof. I just wanted to let you know. So this is on Warrior Plus. You can see my earnings as well right here. And as I said, it creates an advertising budget for myself. So my earnings, you can see, is $9,136 in Warrior Plus itself. And these are all-time guys. I have used this strategy for advertising budget and then sending to a funnel. So this includes the funnel earnings as well. If you want to know just step one, I can put this code right here, which is a tracking code that I use. Just step one has generated me $7,000. So the rest of the $2,000 that I've earned has come in basically from applying this whole entire strategy. Okay, so nutshell, just to summarize it again, and if you haven't yet subscribed, guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. So just to summarize it, step one creates a budget. You're leveraging My Legion Secret as an, let's say, as a catalyst to an offer on Warrior Plus that makes you a sale. Simple. Keep it simple. Then I take that advertising there and I buy advertising to a funnel that I've created. If you guys want to see how to create that funnel, I even have a free playlist on this channel that you can learn how to do that with System.io, add your own offers and so on and so forth. So, okay, that is available for you also. So that's step two. Very clear strategy. Okay, very simple, very clear. And as you can see, I've spent $8,100 on purchases. And what are these purchases? These are advertising purchases that I have spent that money on. So I've earned 9,000, spent 8,000 on advertising that has generated and kept things running for me. So that, let's just put it this way, that 2,000 that was earned is also because of the advertising that I've spent on it. So if you think about it, okay, David, have you earned more than you have spent? Yes, I have. However, remember, the whole purpose of this initial step one is to create that advertising budget for myself. Otherwise, it does take some time before the whole machine starts to run itself. And additionally, just to show you guys, I've done 1,500 in ClickBank as well, and this is out of which is also recurring income. You can see that in 2004 I started on ClickBank much more consistently, and that's why the income started to come in on ClickBank itself. But yeah, during that period, 1,500. So it's crossed $10,000 in commissions just by following this one simple strategy. Now, what I will recommend is do not use this strategy. This is what I personally say this to everybody. This step one is primarily to create a budget. It's not going to make you rich. It's not going to change your life. It's not going to, it's a very simple affiliate marketing strategy that you can use to fund your entire business. Okay, if you're looking for an extra $200 a month, you can do that. If you're looking for extra $300 a month, step one is all you need. However, if you want to look at this for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, then you will have to be mixing up this strategy with organic strategies. And the organic strategies, the way personally I learn it, is through a program called Master Affiliate Profits and the OLSP. These are two programs that I personally use. In fact, I'll leave links to them in the description of this video in case you're interested. But those are two back end offers that I work very closely with, that I'm not sharing with you here, but I have a recurring income also on those platforms itself because of this strategy as a whole. But this is a beginner friendly. Why? Because you're learning one thing that is the most primary skill set that we need, which is copywriting. Because within step one itself, you are applying this by writing emails every single day. Now, in order to assist you guys with this strategy, what I've done is I've created a mini course. The mini course is in the description of this video. I will also link it in the pinned comments. You can get started there and you will be able to see exactly how this functions, as well as my own AI prompt to help you with your email marketing in case you're interested. So that's it. I hope this strategy, if you don't want the course, by the way, it's absolutely fine. If you don't want the mini course, it's absolutely fine. You can go ahead and use the playlist that I have on this channel when it comes to step one. Follow that and apply it, because the more you apply it, the more action you take consistently, the better you are off, because you start to learn from that. Okay, I've learned a lot of skill sets in the last couple of years just by applying this strategy, and I hope that you guys learn the same. I hope if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, guys, I'm going to see you on Monday for another video regarding step one. So make sure that you are subscribed and keep paving the way for dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on Monday for another one.